Ellipse construction method 3. Finally, let's move on to the rectangle or oblong method for constructing an ellipse with a major axis of 130 mm and a minor axis of 82 mm. First, draw the major axis, AB, and the minor axis, CD, of the specified lengths. Ensure that they bisect each other at right angles at the center point, O. Next, use these axes to construct the rectangle, EFGH, where the width and height correspond to the major and minor axes respectively. Now, divide the segment, AO, into equal parts, for example, 4, and mark the points accordingly, as shown. Then, using the same division length, mark corresponding points along OB. Similarly, divide AE into the same number of equal parts and mark the points accordingly, as shown. Then, using the same division length, mark corresponding points along AH, BF, and BG. After that, from points C and D, draw connecting lines to the marked points along the sides of the rectangle. Then, from points C and D, draw intersecting lines through the marked points on the major axis, ensuring they cross the previously drawn lines. Finally, connect all the intersection points with a smooth, continuous curve to complete the required ellipse. This method ensures precision by translating axis divisions into coordinate intersections, producing an accurate and symmetrical ellipse without complex calculations. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.